The material that we need in this experiment is, the first one is a food coloring, the second one is a clear container, the third one is a jar to fill in the water, the fourth one is a syringe, and the last one is a clear tube to replace the burette in this experiment. That's all. The procedure of this experiment is, first, we fill the clear container with water with room temperature. Then we fill in the syringe with food coloring that we already choose. The volume of the food coloring must be 10 milliliter. Okay, the next step is we connect the colorless wire with syringe and put in the container that contains the water at room temperature. Then we slowly push the thumb press of syringe to make sure the food coloring out to the container. Then we watch and observe the food coloring that slowly diffuse into the water at room temperature. After we finish observe the food coloring diffusing into the water, we will repeat the same step from 1 until 5 with water that is warm. Okay, now we replace the water at room temperature with a warm water. We fill the container with a warm water, then we fill the syringe with a food coloring, and the volume must be same, which is 10 milliliter. The next step is we connect the colorless wire with syringe and put in the container that contain the warm water. Then we slowly push the thumb press of syringe to make sure the food coloring out to the container. So the last step is we can watch and observe the food coloring that diffusing into a warm water. We can see here that the food coloring diffuse into a warm water faster than it diffusing into a water at room temperature. That's all that we need to do in this diffusion experiment. Thank you.